All right. Now we're going to talk about cleaning the contact lenses, okay? And these are soft contact lenses, by the way. This does not apply to hard contact lenses. But when you're cleaning a contact lens, number one way to tear a contact lens, let's see, we're going to put it in the palm of our hand. We are going to put some solution in the palm of our hand. The wrong way to clean this is to move it into a circular motion. What happens when you move it into a circular motion is you run the risk of tearing the contact lens, okay? You're moving in multiple angles at a relatively fast rate, and you could tear, a corner or something like this. What you want to do is rub it back and forth, okay? When you rub it in a back and forth motion, you eliminate the movement at different angles. You're going to clean both sides of it in the solution, and again, you're going to eliminate the possibility that this lens could have torn. So back and forth motion, not in a circular motion, and your contact lens should be okay.